MD1 sample problems. So as you can see on the screen, we have the problem statement about this problem. So given we have D is equals to 35 millimeter, N is equals to 6, and B1 is equals to 125 mm, and T is equals to 800 Newton meter or 800,000 Newton millimeter. Shear is equals to 56 megapascals. So the record is D1. T is equals to 8 times pi over 4 times D1 squared times shear times D1 over 2. So just gonna plug in. Simply 800,000 is equals to 6 times pi over 4 times D1 squared times 56 times 125 over 2. So we can get 48.5. Or since there are squared, we can just simply square root both sides. So to cancel the 2. So that's why if we use this, and then we can get 6.96 millimeter or 7 millimeter. Next is about this. You can see it also in the screen. So the problem statement about this problem. So trunk junction sharing. We have the given of D is equal to 600 millimeter, P is equals to 3 MW or 3 million watts, N is equals to 100 RPM, and thickness friction of 100 millimeter. Safe limit is equals to 60 MPa. So the given is, or the required is to get the share of friction. So T is equals to P times 60 over 2 pi N is equals to simply 3 million times 60 over 2 pi times 100. You can get 286,478,900 Newton millimeter. So P is equals to pi times D times thickness friction and shear friction. So D times D over 2 is simply, we're gonna plug in the value. So 206,478,900 is simply pi times 600 times 100 times, since this is the unknown, so we can just simply shift solve. So we can get 5.066 MPa or 5.07 MPa. So lastly, we have K design. Woodruff K torque capacity. As you can see also in the screen, we have the problem statement about this problem. So given D is equals to 35 millimeter and shear is equals to 46 MPa, and W is equals to 10 mm and length is equals to 30 meters. So the required is get the T or torque. F is equals to W times L times T or times W times length times shear, simply 10 times 30 times 46, so we can get 30,800 Newton. So simply T is equal to Fs times D over 2. Simply we're gonna plug in the Fs value, which is 30,800 Newton. 30,800 Newton times 35 over 2. We can get that term of 241,500 Newton millimeter or 241.5 Newton meter. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something about these sample problems in MD1. Have a blessed day.